In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a WEEX account and get a newcomer bonus of up to $200. This is an exclusive offer for my channel. The link to this event will be in the video description below. Just click it and you'll be taken to the right page. Here are the bonuses you'll get for futures trading. $5 for $10,000 volume, $15 for $100,000, and so on up to $100 for $1 million in trading volume, totaling up to $7,920. Just click here to register, or you can click the button at the top to sign up. You'll just need to enter your email, then click to register and get your new user bonus right away. If this offer ends, WEEX always has another promotion for new users where you can get up to 30,000 USDT in bonuses when you secure your account and complete verification. When you deposit for futures, you'll get futures bonuses and this futures trading conversion. Here's a link to the rewards center too. You'll also get 20,000 USDT for newcomers, plus popular events and airdrop coin trading that you can participate in right now. For daily futures interface and the 3 program links, I'll put them below in the video description so you can access and claim your rewards.